My thesis began by exploring these two projects. The one on the left is Pour Your Body Out by Papalotti Rist. The one on the right is The Blur Building by DSR. What these two projects have in common is the human body in relationship to architecture. The way the body interacts with the space, the environment that's created, the garments that are worn, and the furniture that is sat and laid upon. Everything is interacting with each other. The creative process that led me through this project involved projections, drawings, sculpture, lighting, texture, materials, and the human body. All of these aspects layered on top of one another. The architectural space that was determined for my project stemmed from this series of self-portraits taken in the bathroom. This drawing is an analyzation of the content that I had created, studying the activities that would happen through section and the environments that are created within the spaces. Studying the relationship between my work and the work of Bruce Nauman, early anatomical drawings, the plan of San Carlo by Borromini, and the diagram of a toilet ventilator. There's a corporeal exchange that occurs between fluids, sensuality, and vulnerability. Narrowing my approach, I researched typical public bathroom plans that show gendered spaces and direct circulation, public bathrooms of the future that show gender-neutral spaces and more free-flowing circulation, freestanding public bathrooms in landscape, and the materiality of those in terms of transparency, form, lighting, color, and atmosphere. Situating my project in a landscape such as the beaches of LA, I began to conduct social studies of human interaction, of the activities that took place in and around the bathroom. Observing the private and shared spaces, the individual versus the collective, everything's relationship to one another, body-to-body proximity and camaraderie, noting the body choreography as one moves through the space. There is a sense of freedom with the movement of bodies. There is the alertness of the senses. The bathroom becomes a space of transaction. Analyzing this bathroom and its engagement with the environment through plan, the gender-neutral spaces as well as the gender binary spaces. Looking at the bathroom through section, I began to notice the plumbing wall that went down the center of the bathroom. The plumbing wall to me became the most interesting part of the entire building. This space that the plumbing wall has created becomes a very intricate space of fluids and the exchangement of body to architecture. This becomes a space that I would like to exploit and celebrate within the bathroom. Further exploration of these ideas have been through model making with different materials, experimenting with lighting, experimenting with texture. The project will subvert the binary orientations of the public bathroom, challenging the typical social normativity regarding organization, material, experience, and identity. What are the relationships between what lies on the surface of the body versus the guts of the space? This thesis will explore the connection between the mundane architectural mechanisms found in bathrooms and the sensualities of the body.